stuff. Okay, so I'm over here. This is the color I be using. I be using neon pink. I use this every time, same color every time, no different color. Because everybody definitely be asking about this pink, neon pink. And I'm gonna need 2 bottles. Developer. Pinky used this 50. I use 50 Developer. I'm finna get braids, so I'm really finna just get this small one because I don't need no... Where the big ones at anyway? I don't need no big ass one because... Yeah. And now to my bleaching. I have to get my bleach. This is what I use. And y'all, I literally only touch up my roots. This stuff is only for my roots because the ends of my hair are already pink. Pink as hell. Where the fuck is the braiding hair? Where is my braiding hair? Okay, maybe they moved her up here. This say hot pink. Must be neon pink. Also for my braiding hair. But of course, if I don't see that, it seems like we're gonna have to go that pink. Ooh, I dead ass. Y'all, I dead ass don't see my pink. Uh-oh, y'all. I don't see my pink. Let me keep looking, cause that's hot pink. Ooh, but I need neon. I need neon pink, y'all. Couple, this ain't gonna work. But like I said, if I don't see it, I'ma just... Oh, y'all. It's right here in my face. Literally beside right here. Glow Neon Hot Pink. This is what I be using. And I literally only need 2 packs because I already have some hair at home. So I just need 2 packs. She told me to get 3. Got my 2. And now we're finna go over here. By the earrings. Y'all, I need more earrings. And I also, for my jewelry now, I want to do gold. Because y'all know I'm a silver type of girly. But I want to do gold this time. Like for my jewelry. Also, for my nose, I'm going to do gold. So let's see. Oh, this would be perfect right here for my earrings. Nose piercings. You know, we got nose piercings. Yeah, might as well just go ahead and grab the little stuff I need. Yeah, I'm gonna get gold. I'm gonna do gold. I'm trying to think which one I'm gonna do. So let's see. Let me see. Ooh. And I do need a little L shape. Oh, this hoop. Okay, y'all, let me not be extra. Let me not be extra. Okay, can I get 2 of these?
This one?
Right here, the note with the L shape.
Anything else?
Oh, that's it. What's about that? What are you talking about? Huh? Huh? Right, we in here.
Vodka.
Alright, y'all, so we got this drink. I forgot what it was called, but I'm gonna put it back on the screen. We all gonna try it though. Ooh, we all gonna try it though, so I'm not gonna taste it right now. I'm gonna wait for everybody else. What is that? Water? Yeah, we gonna need it. Hey, I already dumped like some Four Loko, so yeah. Y'all gotta go there anyway. I just got done eating some street corn, but I'm gonna get like this triple thing they got. Oh, child, they back here. I'm gonna get this. I got true religion on my head. I got true religion on my head. Alright, y'all, so we finna do laser tag.
I think you like 15 over here. Alright, so y'all can pick from 1 to 13 as long as y'all don't touch two down.
Okay, I'm gonna do 13. Oh. Right? What was it? Oh. Okay.
Y'all can buckle it up and adjust it to how y'all like it. Cause you know, I know like everybody don't like people filling up on them. So I just let everybody, but you know how they want it.
That's true. I want the tightest.
Yeah, you just alright, cool, girl. You doing dumb shit. I'm trying to 15, cause you know that's what
Yeah.
Alright.
mobility no better. Y'all know how to work out there?
Free fall, yep.
Make sure y'all hold both the triggers on the top half, or it's not gonna shoot. It's 2 red triggers on both
On the
sides.
side.
So make sure you hold them. It's you pull the trigger and the red buttons at the same time. If y'all don't, it's not gonna shoot nothing. Y'all free to go in at any time.
Ooh,
to the cold. Yeah, I'm gonna
Okay.
let y'all spread out, and once I see that y'all spread out of my view, I'm gonna
Damn. Oh, I got my glasses on. Let's see, y'all. Y'all, oh my gosh, I'm so fucking scared. Getting over here with the blue on. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all can't even see me, but it's okay. Somebody right here. Oh shit. I gotta get the fuck out of here. Oh shit, I'm in the corner, y'all. I'm stuck in a fucking corner. Oh shit. You got it right here.
Shields up. Break tag.
So crazy.
Shields up. Shields, break tag.
Stop.
Shields up.
Wait. I'm out of breath. Okay. I think we're resuming. You just let me shoot you. They looking for me, y'all. Ain't know what Brandy ass said. Fuck that. Brandy drunk as fucking. I'm drunk as fucking. I'm drunk as fucking. I got somebody.
Shields up.
What are you looking for me for? What you looking for me for? What you looking for me for? What you looking for me for? Ah!
Down.
Daryl, you fell? You fell? somebody and I'm getting shooted at. Thought I was safe. Stop! Stop cheating! That's why I got you. No, ain't no hold on, wait. Bitch, why you Bitch, I felt my shit vibrate. I gotta go, y'all. Look at fucking Naya.
Great
Fucking
tag.
Naya. Oh shit, I think we're done. Oh no, I think we're still going. Naya, you fuck stop.
Shields down.
Stop trying to cheat, Naya. Stop trying to cheat, Naya. Let me see.
Shields up.
Bro, what the?
Shields up. Great tag.
Get the fuck out!
Shields down. Great.
No, ain't no Brandy.
Shields up. Shields down.
Get his ass. I think he gonna see me.
Shields up.
Bro, what the? So why the fuck you falling behind me?
Great tag. Tag.
Oh shit. Oh, these bitches. You bitches.
Great tag.
These bitches. Tagging me and shit. Why you do?
Great tag.
Why you got me fucked up?
Great tag.
I'm over here turning around. Oh y'all, this shit is a fucking workout, and I'm drunk as fuck. And then my ass wear glasses, y'all. Just imagine, it's dark as fuck in this hole. I could barely fucking see. Oh shit, that's a program. That's a program. Let's get these toes. Let's see. I'm coming around this way. Oh, game over. Game what?
How many points you got?
Or the high score player.
Haha, suckers.
Shut up, bitch.
Yeah.
Oh, what's your name?
I swear to God, for the first 2 minutes, I was
Y'all, this is my score. This is my score. I did not win.
what I was finna say. Yo, I know my point of view was up the whole time. Y'all was hilarious. Y'all done caught a few of y'all.
Now you got the most points.
Alright, let me
Man.
Behind me.
And then I wasn't paying attention, like when it's blinking, it's not like flashing. And then who I bumped into, I think I bumped into Sean. What the world? Let's go, let's go. Y'all want to jog to the soccer field?
Leave.
Lord.
You gotta run.
Why you ain't say nothing, Indy? Sherm. Here we are, Sherm. Better know. Motherfucking Monarch Village. Better know, Double O.
And look at that slide. And look at the lake. Everybody's recording. Ain't marching in no bed, but all them got out here by this lakey lake. We showed them the lake. And here go Wolfie. Hi. You so cute. Oh, look at doggy booty. You so pretty. Oh, I miss my dog.
They got tic-tac-toe, they got hopscotch out.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Tic-tac-toe-y. Yes. Somebody got a dog journal buggy out here, but them folk playing tennis. Stay gang. Stay gang. Let us through gang. And they got benches. Like this the main part, but they got benches around. You know.
Trust in me. I can't, you said I can't trust in you.